Hi, welcome to the June Pouring Challenge 2018. This month we're going to do a dirty pour over the bottom of a plastic bottle and tilt it around. I think you're going to love the results of this challenge. Hi, my name is Sherry. Welcome to my channel. Well, I started out my challenge by buying one of these 3-section formula holders that Megan talks about in some of her videos. She always gets such beautiful swirl pours that I decided I needed to try it because my hands just don't like swirl pours. One of my favorite pours I've ever done was hot colors on one side and cool colors on the other side. So I decided to do the same thing here. So in this cup I'm pouring the hot colors. I have pink, yellow, orange, red, and then I have the flash paint that is orange but with an interference color in it, this one right here. And sorry y'all, I didn't realize how hard it would be to see what was going on in a blue cup. Anyway, hot colors are those between red and yellow, and cool colors are those between green and purple, though some purples can be warmer. And I'm out of white paint, which of course I didn't find out till it squirted all over the front of my apron. Time to mix more. This is metallic phthalo green, and it is just such a beautiful color. I wish it showed better here. And then an ugly green that is mixed just with basic phthalo green and white. Payne's gray, which is a very gray navy or very navy gray. This is neon lime green and metallic cobalt blue. I love me some metallics. This is just, I don't know. And then a turquoise that also has metallic in it. Now Megan uses her thing without the lid, but I decided that the lid would give me a little bit more control. My canvas, as you can see, was used, so I had a hard time taping the bottle bottom down, and of course you can't see that either. I think next time I do a pour like this, I'm going to have to film it from the side. So I mixed up some more white paint. This has no silicone in it either. Just trying to go along the edges. On this pre-painted canvas, I had done a swipe before, but I've already gone and painted the sides white. So here goes. It's so fun. Yeah, I don't make very good little circles, but boy does this come out of there looking gorgeous. I'm moving the cup a little bit to get to the indentations that aren't filling up as quickly. But look how pretty those colors are. Oh, I love these colors. I hope they last. I'm doing a voiceover on this video because while I painted, I didn't talk at all. And it was amazing how much more I could do without trying to think of what to say at the same time. And it didn't take as long either, because I have a tendency to stop talking while I paint and stop painting while I talk. Now here's where the flower design gets pretty much toasted. I'm adding some white here because I want to push some more of that color down that was stuck on the top of the bottle bottom. And the white really shows how much the paint moves, doesn't it? Oh my gosh, I really love that pink and yellow down there at the bottom. I wonder if any of it will stay. Please stay, don't all go away. Just cover up the old painting. I've mentioned it before, I always paint my canvases on the side and usually on the top, so that if I get a part of a painting I like, I don't have to tilt it all the way away. Well, the blue sure seems like it took over, didn't it? So I need to fill up the middle, and I decided to brush the white in, popsicle stick the white into the middle, trying to keep a little bit of a spirally effect to the line so that when it moves it'll maintain a wee bit of that flower shape. And I don't really like the white in the middle, so I'm going to take what little bitty tiny bit of paint is left in the formula cup and do a tiny swirl in the middle. And this really adds to the final piece, I think. Clearly there was silicone though on the bottom, some left on the canvas, and must have been some in the yellow leftover paint. The yellow doesn't show up, but that's the only paint that could have had some silicone in it. Now I'm trying to move really slow so the center grows without destroying the shape completely. I have to confess that I almost didn't participate in this challenge because I just haven't liked any of the swirl pours I've done. And to me, a lot of the bottle bottom pours all look kind of alike. But the combination of a swirl dirty pour and the bottle bottom really, really makes me happy. I am so glad I changed my mind because I think this might be one of my top 3, 4, anyway, in the top half dozen acrylic pours I've done. And I'm going to take the camera down now and show you the close-up of some of this painting. I mean, look at all those pretty little lines. You can only get those from swirls. And I like the way the cells add to this. And look at those pretty tiny ribbons in the middle. I do wish more of the yellow had shown up, but I think this all in all is a really nice piece. And now for everyone else's piece for this month. Below this video in the description box you'll see links to all of the videos for all these pours, and eventually I'll make a playlist. If you make a video and tag it with the hashtag June Pouring Challenge 2018, I'll include your video in my playlist too. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for future videos. And be sure to watch all the other videos too. Thanks again. Bye-bye.